Now you may not know this, but we are big Disney fans in the Kitchen Sanctuary household, and one of our favourite treats when we go to Disney World is the Cheeseburger spring rolls. And today I'm going to show you how to make your own cheeseburger spring rolls at home. Heat a large frying pan over a medium to high heat, and then we're going to add 500 grams, which is about 1.1 pounds of 12 to 15% fat minced beef. We're also going to add in a finely chopped small onion and half a teaspoon each of salt and black pepper. Now fry that all together for about 6 to 7 minutes, stirring regularly to break up any chunks until the beef is browned and the onions soft. Now turn off the heat and transfer the beef to a bowl. Now we're going to leave that minced beef mixture cooling for about 20 minutes. And while it's cooling, why not whip up a little batch of sauce for dipping your spring rolls in. I've got my own little special sauce here, which is 3 ingredients, and I'll leave the instructions for that below. Once that beef is cooled, we're going to add in 75 grams or 3/4 of a packed cup each of strong cheddar and red Leicester cheese. We're also going to add in 2 tablespoons of finely chopped pickled gherkins and stir it all together. So I'm using square 10-inch spring roll wrappers here. What we need to do is to get one of the spring roll wrappers out with the pointy end pointing towards you there, and then we get a clean wet tea towel or a damp tea towel and place that over the spring roll wrappers that you're not using, just to prevent those from drying out. And then we'll start filling them up. Take 2 heaped tablespoons of the cooled beef mixture and place it near the bottom corner of the spring roll wrapper. Fold that bottom corner over the minced beef and shape it into a rough sausage shape. And then we're going to roll up that spring roll, tucking in the outer edges just before you finish rolling. Make sure you brush the final corner with a little cold water to help seal the edges when you wrap it up. Now place on a tray and repeat with the remaining spring rolls. You should get about 10 to 12 spring rolls out of this recipe. So that's the spring rolls made, and while I've been making those, I've also been heating up the oil. Now I've got a cast iron pan here with about 1 inch of oil. We want to heat it to about 190C or 375F. If it gets too much hotter than that, you'll find that the spring rolls get a bubbly coating on top of them. They'll still taste great, but that oil's a little bit too hot, so try and keep it in the 190C 375 range. Once your oil's hot, we want to add 5 spring rolls to the pan one at a time. You can use a set of tongs for this. We need to work in 2 batches to prevent overcrowding in the pan. We want to cook the spring rolls for about 3 to 4 minutes, turning every so often until golden brown. Then remove the spring rolls from the pan and place on a tray lined with some baking parchment. Then we're going to repeat with the remaining spring rolls until they're all lovely and golden. Once all of those spring rolls are cooked, we're going to transfer them to a serving plate and serve with that special sauce. I can't wait to dig in. So there we go, that's my cheeseburger spring rolls, something to satisfy the craving until the next time we go to Disney. And if you like these, then check out my vegetable spring rolls or my playlist of appetizers here. See you next time.